What's going on YouTube? Just right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you 6 great themes that you can install with UNC0VER on iOS 12, both paid and free, that are definitely looking good and are going to make your iPhone more enjoyable. So let's get straight into it. The first one is called Lotus, and this one is actually a free theme which definitely looks nice. One of the things that I like about this theme is the clock. Just check it out in there. It's very modern looking and it's definitely interesting. And if you take a look in here, there are many icons that have been themed, including the Find My iPhone, compass and so on, but unfortunately the measure application from iOS 12 has not been themed. This is how Cydia looks like, and as you can see it has a box icon in there. UNC0VER is not themed, but overall the theme looks definitely nice, and as I said, it's free, so check it out. This one is called Mojito and is created by Dennis Bednarz. The icons look definitely nice, the theme is updated constantly, so if you have icon requests you can definitely fire them at Dennis Bednarz and he will probably happily add them to the theme. Now as I said, it's 100% compatible with Snowboard, so you don't need anemone or anything like that. It doesn't have any special effects or sounds or whatever, so it's a very simple theme with many themed icons. The third one is called Muze. Now this one is a paid theme, it's $249 US and it's available on Packix. And of course it does theme most of the icons, including the measure and the feedback, which many of the themes do not cover. So this one does indeed have many more icons, and it also themes the UNC0VER icon in here and Cydia. So it does have many more icons than the free themes and it's definitely looking nice. It has a modern design and as I said, it's available on Packix for $249. You decide whether this is a good price or not, but the theme is definitely beautiful and I like it. The fourth one in our list is called Mint Free, and damn, this is actually a very expensive theme. It's $3 US on Packix and it looks like this. It's definitely nice, no doubt about that. The icons look definitely great, and if you take a look in here, it does have a good selection of icons. Unfortunately, it doesn't have as many icons as Muze, which was cheaper, and as you can see, the measure and the feedback application are not themed, and if you take a look in here, the UNC0VER is not themed. Cydia, however, looks like that, like a shopping bag, which definitely looks interesting. So yeah, $3 on Packix. I'm not a big fan of it, but definitely it looks good if you pair it with a good wallpaper, which is something I did not do here. The next one in line is called Classic iOS, and this one is definitely appealing to the people who are fans of iOS 6, of iOS 5, iOS 4, and so on. It's called Classic iOS 1.2, created by Axel4, and it's available in here on the ZodTTD repo. Now, as you can see, the icons are the classic iOS icons you probably remember from back in iOS 5 and iOS 6 and 4 and so on, and most of them are actually very accurate. Of course, even the Cydia is actually modified, and yes, this is how Cydia used to look like. So yeah, if you are a fan of the iOS 6 era, pair it with a great wallpaper and it's definitely nice. The next one is called Oyster, and this one is another free one from the ZodTTD repo and it's definitely looking nice. It's a modern style and most of the icons are indeed themed. However, there are some, for example feedback and measure, which are not. So you might as well just remove them or put them somewhere in a folder if you don't want them to destroy the design. Cydia looks like this, UNC0VER is not themed, but overall the theme looks definitely modern if you pair it with a great wallpaper, and yeah, I quite like it, it's free and it's definitely enjoyable. So yeah, that's my top 6 with themes that you can install on UNC0VER on iOS 12. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comment section down below what is your favorite theme of all times, and do not forget to subscribe to stay updated. Till the next time, peace out.